Hi students, today I wanted to show you how to add your name to the ePortfolios. So you're going to go into your classwork section and you are going to scroll down till you find the section that says ePortfolios. So you will find that your folder, this is your folder, is there. So in this folder, all of your important documents will go. It's like your old binder, but it is actually online now. So we're not keeping your documents in a book anymore, but on the computer. So right now, you are going to click on Inventory Sheets. Double click and then click on this, whatever your master inventory sheet looks like. Now it's quite large. It's quite large, so I want to see the whole sheet. I can click on this arrow and I can click on 50%. That way I can see the whole sheet. And now on the right hand side of my screen, I can scroll down by moving this holding one finger down and moving this with my right finger. I can go up and down to read the instructions. So I can see that there are 12 instructions. Okay, so it says scroll down to read the 12 steps. Click on the down arrow in the bottom right hand side. So look at the bottom of the page to see the About Me, Listening, Speaking, Reading, and Writing tabs. So down here, okay, right now we're on Inventory Instructions. We have the All About Me section, Listening, Speaking, and I click this arrow and it will move me to see the Reading and the Writing. So what I want to do down here is I want to click on each of these tabs. So All About Me. Now in the All About Me section, these are things that you do like your needs assessment and your All About Me paragraph, you put them here. But for now, just add your name. So whatever your name is. So Anna, maybe your name is Anna Samuel, okay? And when your teacher gives you things to put in here, then you're going to write the name and the date when she puts things in there. Okay, so you got your name on there, but I'm going to erase it because this is not that person's. Then you're going to go to the listening section, and we can see that we have the CLB5 already here, and you're going to write your name in here. So whatever your name is, Sam Smith, okay? Then you're going to go to the speaking and do the same thing, write your name, okay? I wrote a name there, but I'm erasing it. I can go Control Z, and it will erase. Reading, I am going to put my name there, Sam Smith, and the writing section. Same thing. In the writing section here, I am also going to do that. Okay, so when you get your assessments, you're going to record them here, and I will show you how to do that. So that's all you need to do. Remember that you can click on the zoom here. It's not working, but I'll go back here. So the first section, All About Me, put your name on that. And if I wanted to make it bigger or smaller, I can click right here to make things larger or smaller. So that is all that I am going to show you for today. Thank you.